When visibility compounds, trust compounds, and relationships also compound. The companies that stay visible, build trust, and remain connected with customers will have a major advantage in 2026. So invest today in small, consistent investments, which will create major results over time. Focus on earning trust. Trust turns first-time customers into loyal advocates. Focus on building relationships. Strong relationships lead to repeat business and referrals. The companies that thrive in 2026 may not be the companies with the largest advertising budgets. They may be the companies that consistently invest in visibility, trust, and customer relationships. Marketing tactics change. Platforms change. But visibility, trust, and relationships create opportunities year after year. Thank you for watching.